At an extraordinary assembly of the Uganda Olympic Committee sitting at the UOC headquarters in Lugogo, members expressed disappointment, claiming that the National Council of Sports has destabilized sports instead of building it to greater heights.
The General Secretary, National Council of Sports, facilitated the removal of the 9 boats that were at Galka.
I don't really understand, because I thought that they were entrusted with looking after sports federations, but from where I'm sitting as a sports enthusiast and as the chairman of an association, I see nothing but destruction.
The Assembly also adopted several amendments to the 1999 UOC Constitution after considering a review of the draft. In the amendments, the UOC President will serve for 2 terms of 4 years each, and according to Article 14, Clause 7, for the first time, the UOC Executive will not intervene in the selection of athletes to represent federations and leaders for international competitions.
Members that approved today, they go from the issue, for example, of term limits. That's one new area. The issue of involving a secretariat as one of the key bodies in the Uganda Olympic Committee. Questions around a secretariat headed by a chief administrative officer. Questions around elections. Now we have people have to be nominated 14 days in advance. So there are a number of key changes from the former constitution.
The amendments are subject to the approval of the International Olympic Committee before they can be implemented. Zahra Namuli, Chibalizi John, NBS Sport.